Let's solve a set theory question that's very common in exams. But before we start, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. In a survey conducted with 200 students, it was observed that 120 study English, 80 study Spanish, and 50 study both Spanish and English. How many students don't study either of the two languages? And English is set A? 120 students. Spanish is set B and has 80 students. 50 study both English and Spanish. So, let's see how many study only English. That's 120 minus 50, which is the number of students who study English minus those who study both subjects, English and Spanish. 0 minus 0 is 0. 12 minus 5. That's 7. So, 70 people study only English. Who studies only Spanish? It's the total number of people who study Spanish minus those who study both subjects. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 30 people study only Spanish. Now let's represent this in a Venn diagram. 70 people study English and 50 study both subjects, and 30 study Spanish. Now, making the set here. What we can see here is an intersection of exactly 50 people who are studying both English and Spanish. To find the total number of students studying English and Spanish, just add these numbers now. 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So, we have a total of 150 students who study English and Spanish. And now it's easy to find out who doesn't study anything. You just need to subtract the total number of students by the total number of those who study English and Spanish. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, borrow 1 here, it becomes 10, minus 5 is 5, and since you borrowed 1, it becomes 1. So, minus 1 is 0. So, here's the answer. The total number of students who don't study anything is 50. It's easy to solve using the Venn diagram here, where we can visualize the sets in a really simple way. This makes solving the problem a lot easier. Well, thank you very much for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.